Hey, Ope and I are heading north today. We're going to meet up with 3 fellow outdoorsmen and YouTubers to check out the different ways of, for lack of a better way to call it, car camping. Ought to be interesting. It's been snowing off and on now for several hours. But you can see the ground is pretty warm still. Yeah. Very neat though. Well, this is what we woke up to. A beautiful, beautiful winter wonderland. Well, I got here nice and early on Friday, and later in the evening after dark, that hiking guy, Chris, showed up in his fancy red, bright red truck, Tundra. And he has it decked out pretty sweet. He's got a roof rack, got an awning.
Shower.
Yeah, you wish. Anyway, so there he is. Let's take a look at his setup.
Right now it's not in its where it's going to be, but this is just a folding memory foam mattress. I've got my Gold Zero battery that I use for my electric blanket usually, but since we're electric here, I've got plugged in directly.
With all kinds of cords.
Yeah. Then I've got my awning here. This is the newest addition to it.
And we need to take a kind of good look at that, because that will probably be the next, easy for me to say, that'll probably be the next upgrade for the Astro.
Yeah, I just found this on Amazon, and I got it so I could cook in the rain off my tailgate. That's the whole reason I got it.
It's lightweight.
It's very lightweight, yeah. It's cheap, but it's waterproof. So I enjoy it.
And if you watch that hiking guy, his YouTube channel, he has all kinds of toys.
Oh yeah, I have a little bit of a problem.
But the nice thing about his quality of videoing is right up there with some of the best. He uses a lot of high-tech stuff, like his microphone there. So he doesn't have the wind noise that I'll get a lot of times. And he's got a drone. He just, you know, for a guy here in Indiana.
I like my toys.
Yeah, but for a guy here in Indiana, you know, you're producing a quality of video that most, you know, you have to go out to Colorado and places like that to see.
Well, I enjoy making videos. That's why. Like, I enjoy the process. So that's why the quality got better. Not because, you know, it's just I enjoy making the videos, physically making them.
Yeah. Well, we enjoy it. So check out that hiking guy on YouTube. And here's the nicest part about the van, in my opinion. It's 68 degrees in here. I just kicked back and had lunch where Chris has got that nice tarp set up, but he's having to cook outside in the cold. And we've got this really nice awning set up with that fireplace. And, you know, it keeping you warm, but I'm in here in out of the elements, and I just kind of think my little stealth van is the way to go. Let's just go right on down the line here. That's an REI Half Dome. That's the one that Chris from Hooks and Hammocks is going to be sleeping in tonight. And that's Brian from Carlson Adventures. And let's see there. It's the Astro Stealth Camper Van. There's the guys around the campfire. And that is Chris, that hiking guy's Toyota Tundra and his setup. And there's dinner, sirloin. Now, that's not a bad meal. Chris kind of burned the rolls there, but hey, they're still good. There's some instant potatoes. And there's some pieces of steak for Opie. And it cooked out medium well, just the way we like it. Staying warm around the campfire. All right, we're all packed up and ready to go. Chris, that hiking guy's getting his stuff put away. And Brian with Carlson Adventures, he's already gone, as well as Chris with Hooks and Hammocks. So we're gonna head south, get home in time to watch the Chiefs in the playoffs. As you can see, it's snowing, so it's gonna be a beautiful drive. But listen, thanks for enjoying the weekend with us. I hope you got a little something out of looking at these different ways to car camp, and we'll see you on the next one.